Hi everybody, welcome back to DEEPFRYTV. It's been a while. We haven't seen each other in a long time. In fact, I don't see anybody here because nobody's home. So for this episode, I'm not wearing any pants. DEEPFRYTV. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Let's find out. Yep, dope, camera down. Fix that, camera good. I already put some samples in the freezer. Just because, obviously they got the cold, or jam's gonna melt, and I didn't know what to do, so I did two different versions. Alright. We got this one here, with your, just whatever, banana. I'm gonna fucking batter that, throw it in the fucking food, put it in a bun and eat it like that. Or we got this one here, which is bun and all. We'll see which one's gonna work. Batter this one up. Whew, that was really warm. Ooh, but really good. This is the whole shebang. This is what it looked like when I saw it on the internet. I deep fry it and there she be. The piece de resistance. And now a word from our sponsors. Sack brand deer nuts. Only 99 cents. They're just under $1. Made in Michigan. Let's do this. Need 2 hands for this thing. 2 hands. Okay, ready? It was really greasy, number one. But besides that, it is fucking good. Dude. All the jam, and the banana, and the peanut butter. I'm gonna get out of here. But, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching me deep fry a different version of a hot dog. And happy deep frying. Leave a like, subscribe in the comments section below, and all that fun stuff. Share it to your friends. Tell them that I deep fry stuff. I don't know. Maybe I'll get back into doing more episodes more often. Who knows? Only time and deep frying can tell. Cheers, guys. Peace. DEEPFRYTV.